press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, so today let us work out the exercise 6.3. I told you in the previous class, based on the three criteria, that is AAA or AA criteria, similarity criteria, or SAS similarity criteria, and SSS similarity criteria. So I hope you have familiar with the statements of all these three. Okay. Now based on these three statements, so you all know in this, if you check if two angles, once again I will try to recall, if you check two angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, then we can say that by AA criteria, two triangles are similar. So in the next one, if the two sides of corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional and one included angle are equal, then we can say by SAS similarity criteria, the two triangles are similar. And the last one, that is SSS. So if all the three corresponding sides are proportion of two triangles, then the two triangles can be said that they are similar. Okay. So we can check only these three, then definitely by corresponding sides of similarity triangles, by using that we can, as you have done in congruent triangles CPCT, the same way here also we can consider the other elements are equal. Okay. Now let us try to work out this exercise 6.3. This is exercise 6.3. Okay. In this, the first main, they have given in few diagrams they have given the angles, in few diagrams they have given the sides, and in few they have given the angles as well as the sides. Now let us try to compare. So from the first main, I have taken the second one and fourth one and fifth one. So this is second one and this is fourth one and fifth one. Okay. So the other two you can work out. The other three you can work out. So I will read out the question for you. State which pairs of triangle in figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. See, so the basic which we studied in the beginning of this triangles chapter, so we are going to do that. So you have to state which pairs of triangles are similar. First thing, you should say whether they are similar or not. Second thing, on which criteria you have decided whether they are similar. If they are similar, then based on which criteria you should mention. And the third thing, you have to write the triangle by using the form, by using the symbolic form I had used earlier, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, like this you have to write. But it need not be in order, you all know. So it depends on the corresponding angles and also the corresponding corresponding sides. Okay. Now let us try to work out the second one. You just look at the figure here. The second one which I have done for you, the diagram is there. So here, see, AB is 2 and PQ 6 and AC is 3 and BC is 2.5 and QR is 4 and PR is 5 and PQ is 6. Okay. Now you have to check the proportionality of the sides now, because they have given the sides. So just check the proportion. So when you see this, you will come to know that 2 and 4 actually. So here what shall be write? AB by QR. I will write AB by QR. So what is this? 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 means you all know 1 by 2. Then next AC by PQ, AC by PQ, just check. AC is how much? 3, PQ is 6. So again here also 1 by 2. Next BC, so check BC by PQ, PR. So BC is 2.5 and PR is 5. So here also you will get 1 by 2. Okay. Now, so just check the proportionality. AB by QR is equal to AC by PQ is equal to BC by PR. Okay. So let me write now. So AB by QR is equal to AC by PQ is equal to BC by PR. So all are equal proportional, means the ratio is same, half, correct? So can we decide that these two triangles are similar on which criteria? By SSS criteria, because all the three sides are proportion. So you have to write that also. So after working out, so next you write by SSS similarity criteria. So this the second part of the question. Then third part, what they have given, you have to mention, you have to write it in the symbolic form. So what you have to do? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle. So you can't write PQR. So alphabetical order it cannot be. Sometimes you have to check how it is. So AB by QR. So here you should check this and then write AB by QR. So definitely it will be QRP. Just after writing this, once again you check whether it is correct. See, AB by QR is equal to AC by PQ. AC by PQ, it can be on either side, no problem. And BC by PR. BC by PR. Okay, you can write this like this. Okay. So you should not write PQR easily. You all know the corresponding sides are proportional, the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles. So you should note that. So you have done it in the congruency criteria also. So I think it won't be difficult for you to understand this. Okay. Now I finished the first one. So let me work out the second one now. Okay, second one, just check here. Angle M is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 70 degree. Note here. And you should note that it should be included angle. I had told you in the previous class also, included angle means what is the meaning of included angles here. MN and ML are the two sides and angle M is included angle. And here also, see here, PQ and QR are the two sides and Q is the included angle. So here they have given the included angle. So here angle M is equal to angle Q, no doubt. Now, so which are the two, just see here, you can compare this. So MN by PQ is equal to 2.5 by 5. So again you will get 1 by 2. Next, you compare ML by QR. ML by QR is 5 by 10. Again you will get 1 by 2. So definitely these two are in same ratio. So two sides and one included angle. Then which criteria you all know? SAS criteria by SAS criteria, similarity criteria. So the second part, triangle. Okay, now triangle MNL. So is similar to, so one triangle you can write, later on you try to adjust the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. So which is the corresponding angle here? For M, Q is the corresponding angle. So we'll see whether we can write like this: triangle Q, then QR, QRP. Then find out whether you have written correctly or not. See here, angle M is equal to angle Q, correct. MN is equal to PQ. See here, it is wrong. So you can rub that. Okay, now it is wrong what I have written. Now Q, P, R. Okay. Now you check, angle M is equal to angle Q, correct. Then MN by PQ, MN by PQ is equal to ML by QR. See, correct. ML by QR. So like that you have to, after writing also you can check, or before writing you be cautious and write properly. Okay. So this is how you have to write it. Now third one, let me do third one now. So first, see, this is from the first main I have chosen, second one, fourth one and fifth one. Now here you just observe this fifth one, fifth problem. See here, yes, of course 2.5 by 5, again half, 3 by 6, again half, 80 degree, you observe 80 degree angle. See here angle B, but in this case it is angle F, correct. You observe carefully, here they have not given the included angle here. See here, this is not an included angle. So the included angle is this one, correct, 6 and 5. So this is 80. So definitely these two triangles are not similar. So you have to write the reason, you can write, but see, you can write included angles, included angle is not given, in one of the triangle. So definitely triangle or the two triangles are not similar. So you have to come to the conclusion that they are not similar. I hope you understood. So like that you please work out all the other three problems. Okay. So now let us move on to the second one. Second main. So if they are similar, you please write yes, otherwise you just write no. But you should know why they are not similar, and also you should know why they are similar, on which criteria, based on which criteria you have decided that they are similar. Okay. Now let us move on to the, see, I have drawn the diagram for you. See here, second one. So I will read out the question. In the figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, and angle BOC is equal to 125 and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. So solution, second one, it's easy problem. So diagram is here, please refer this diagram. So to find, what you have to find? To find angle DOC, then angle DCO, then angle OAB. Okay, now just see, here they have given, what they have given here? Given two triangles are similar. So triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. Triangle O is there, sorry. ODC and OBA. ODC and OBA, these two triangles are similar, they have given. So we have to find out that DOC, okay, see here, this one, I will mark in the color chalk. You have to find out DOC, this. Next, DCO and DCO, this one. Then OAB, this one. Okay. Now they have not given that they are parallel, so be careful, you can't write that. Okay. Now first let me find out angle DOC. Okay. Now for that angle, see here, see these two are linear pairs. These two are linear pairs. So I will write that angle COB plus angle DOC. See, angle DOC and COB, they are linear pairs, is equal to 180. You all know that. So linear pair. Now COB is how much? COB is 125 plus angle DOC is equal to 180. All these are simple problem. So DOC is equal to 180 minus 125. So you will get angle DOC as 55 degree, correct? Okay. So angle DOC is 55. This is how much? 55 degree. So you got that. Next, of course you can find out this easily. DOC, in triangle DOC, so see the problem is simple, but the steps you have to write, all the steps you have to write, okay, no shortcut. So in triangle DOC, angle DOC plus angle DCO plus angle CDO will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. So DOC is 55 degree and angle DCO we have to find out. Angle COD is again 55 degree. No. DOC is 55. DCO we have to find out. Then CDO is 70 degree is equal to 180. So angle DCO is equal to 180 minus, so these two you have to add 70 plus 55. Okay, so 70 plus 55 you will get 125 degree, and again here you will get again 55 degree only. Okay, angle DCO is also 55 degree. Okay, we finished this 55 degree. So let me write here 55 degree. Okay, now how to find out this angle? Think it over, how to find out OAB, the last one, OAB. See, they have given the clue there. ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So the corresponding angles are equal. So definitely just see corresponding angles, which is the corresponding angle of angle A. Angle A is angle C, correct? Corresponding angle C. So definitely again you have to write 50 degree. Since again you write here, since triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. ODC is similar to triangle OBA. ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So, angle I want OAB, correct? OAB, same way OCD is equal to angle OAB, correct? OCD is how much? OCD is how much? 55 degree. Therefore, you can write here, therefore, angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. See, it's very simple, but the procedure is long, lengthy, that is it, okay. I hope you followed. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next, that is third one. Third one, I will read out the question. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersects each other at the point O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. See, again a very simple problem. I am going to draw. This is for fourth one. Trapezium, diagonals. Okay. Now ABCD is a trapezium and diagonal AC and BD, they will intersect at O. Okay. Now, so given, what is given? So third one. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium. And they have also given AB is parallel to DC. Okay. Now, using similarity criteria for the two triangles, you have to show that, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So, just see how we can do the solution. So, for that you have to consider two triangles, that is this triangle and this triangle. Consider these two triangles, okay. Now, Okay, let me write. So these two AB and CD are parallel. So definitely you just observe this angle and this angle, they will be equal. Okay, alternate interior angles. I hope you can recall, in lower classes you have studied. So AB is parallel to DC, therefore the alternate interior angles will be equal. So using that, in triangle AOB and DOC, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, then angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. Why? Because alternate interior angles. So then by using, so when in these two triangles, corresponding two angles are equal. So can we apply by AA criteria? Okay, by AA criteria, AA similarity criteria, triangle AOB is similar to triangle. So AOB is similar to triangle. You just check the similarity. AOB is similar to COD. Once you check whether it is correct. See, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, correct. So the sequence COD you have to write. Okay, next. Now when these two are equal, definitely you all know AO by CO is equal to OB by OD is equal to AB by CD. Why? By applying, I told you, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding. See how you apply CPCT for congruent triangles, same way corresponding sides of similar triangles. But what we need, we have to show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. See, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. See, only this much they have asked. So therefore OA. So you can change the order of it, how they have asked. OC is equal to OB by OD. Okay. See, hence proved. No, actually here they have not asked to prove, sorry. Show that they have given, so I don't think it is necessary, hence proved. Okay. I hope you have understood this. So this is a very simple problem. So the next one, we'll move on to the next one. I hope you understood. So we have to consider these two triangles and we have to prove that they are similar by taking AA similarity criteria. Okay, and later on by the two sides of a triangle, similar triangles, the corresponding two sides of a similar triangles are in equal ratio. Okay. So the next one, see fourth one, I have drawn the diagram for you. Now I will read out the question. In the figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now see here. Okay, let me write given. So fourth one. So the diagram is here. So just check, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Note, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They have given there. And also they have given QR by QS. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And also angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now what you have to show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So now, so you can use the criteria. So before that you have to see the corresponding sides are equal or the corresponding angles are equal. So for that they have given one clue here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Just look at the diagram. See here, two sides, these two sides are equal. Why? Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2, these two. So definitely angles opposite to the equal, sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. See, all these are basic mathematics. See, which all you have studied in the lower class, we have to utilize here. So basic things. Okay. So now I will write here first angle 1, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So can I write this side PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. So what is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Next, now what is given here? See here, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. It is given, correct? So now just observe carefully here, this one PR. So can I change PR to PQ? So this can be PQ, correct? So PR can be replaced by PQ. Okay, now QR by QS is equal to QT by, instead of PR I will write PQ, because PQ is equal to PR. See, PQ is equal to PR. Now just observe here, QR, that is QR by QS, QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ, QT by PQ. Okay. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that PQS and PQR are similar. The two triangles are similar. So for that, just take a reciprocal of this. So reciprocal, by taking reciprocal, QS by QR is equal to PQ by QT. Okay. Okay, now let me conclude this now. So in triangle, so let us see in triangle PQS and triangle PQR. Okay. So let us see in these two which are the corresponding angles are equal or the sides are proportional. So PQS, just observe this, PQS, see here, this one, PQS and TQR, TQR means this one. See here. So Now, which is the angle equal here now? So, Q is the common angle. I hope you observed this. Q is the common angle for both the triangles. See here, Q is common for both. So, can I write angle PQS is equal to angle TQ, PQS is equal to angle TQR, common. Write the reason, common. Okay, one angle we got now, one angle is equal. Now you check with this QS by QR is equal to PQ by TQ. PQ or QT I have written here, that is all. Okay. So now just check. See, PQ, so Q corresponding, it is common, Q is common angle here for both the triangles. Next, QS by QR is equal to PQ by TQ. See, this already proved here, we have proved here, correct? See this, so this is included angle, Q is included angle here, therefore by SAS similarity criteria, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, see, I hope you understood the application of, I think today we have used SAS, and for the previous sums SSS also we used, and SAS also we used for the first examples. Okay, so let me continue in the next class. So please try to work out so that you should know where you have to apply these three criteria, which criteria will suit. So for that you have to practice. So work out the example problems also. So thank you. Have a nice day.